in this video we are going to discuss about the chapter number 2 in your geography. The chapter number 2 is all about globes, latitudes and longitudes. As you already learned, globe is a physical representation of Earth. It's a round representation of Earth. What does latitude mean? Latitudes are the parallel lines drawn in the globe. Then what does longitude means? Longitudes are the vertical lines drawn in the globe. So now we are going to see about the latitudes given in the globe. We start with the equator. Equator is the longest latitude with 0 degree. So the angle for equator is 0 degree. This equator divides the earth into two halves. So northern half and the southern half. Our earth is like a flat at the top and bottom and bulging in the middle. Likewise, the equator divides the earth into two hemispheres, which is the upper part is called northern hemisphere, which is at the north. So the hemispherical part which is lower than below the equator is called southern hemisphere. Then we move on to the next different important latitudes. We'll start with Arctic Circle. The value Arctic Circle is the topmost latitude and its angle is 66.5 degree because of it is in the north. So I am mentioning north here. So we call it as 66.5 degree north. We call it as Arctic Circle. And moving on to the next is Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree north. Equator, as I said you already. So moving on to the next, we are traveling towards the south. The first we receive is Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree south. So last but not the least is Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degree south. So this is the combinations of latitudes. I want to give some additional information about the latitudes. These latitudes always travel from east to west. So this is east and this is west. These latitudes always travels from east to west, whereas the longitudes always travel from north to south. The latitudes always travel from north to south. The longitude also divides the earth into two different hemispheres. The right hand side is called eastern hemisphere, and the left hand side is called western hemisphere. And the left hand side we call it as western hemisphere. Western hemisphere. Yes. So what are the special salient features about the latitudes? These latitudes, they never intersect each other. See, they start at one point and they end at different point. But longitudes, when we take longitudes, these longitudes, they start at the poles and again they end at the same poles. They start at the poles and again they end in the same poles. So this is the basic concepts about the latitudes and longitudes, and hope you got a clear idea about what is latitude and what is longitude. Now open your social classwork notebook, draw a clear picture of a latitude and longitude with a globe and take a pic and post it back in a WhatsApp group. Thank you and see you soon tomorrow.